Next should be something then maybe we could think is boring, but is something that also for us is interesting. Because is two very important improvement that we are going to have in the next weeks, special from the Italian warehouse for the Italian manufacturing. It means that we have to speak about a new packaging procedure for the hubs, for the shops, so how you will receive the products with the barcodes. And the second one is the new software that we are going to introduce inside our company very, very soon. For this, I invite Augusto to come, maybe to help me to explain much better about the software. Yes, thank you very much, Augusto. Okay, about the logistic, I think you know that it's very important. Then we have to make better the functionality of our company, and we was thinking that now we are going to change something. As you've seen, you can see this is the cartridge, and then is usually the products that we sell in our products. Will arrive inside one box, so will be 10 cartridges in a small box, and there are a big box for 350 pesos. This is something that we will do it not only for cartridge, but especially, for example, for the notebooks, because the notebooks, as you know, will arrive always without any quantity or without any barcode on it. From the next shipment, you will see then that will arrive with the plastic poly bags and with the barcode. So you have 10 notebooks for each colors inside one plastic bag, and you will receive the big box. I think this is very important even for the shipment, because sometimes this kind of products have problem for humidity, so that's kind of a very important improvement. We made this file just for you to understand all the products that is going to change with the new packaging and how we was thinking to change it. This is the second improvement. This is very important for our company. We are going to have a very important investment in terms of times management and money, because our idea is to let work our company from production to distribution to the retail stores under the same system. This is very important because we need to have system control in all our stores, and this is at the moment is a problem that we have not. So we have to have a lot of feedback, traveling or speaking with all our local partners very often. So we are going to, we already starting to working to introduce this kind of software inside mostly of our stores, but basically it's very important inside our distribution center. So very soon, I hope within the next months, we should access by internet, by web, to check the quantity that should be able, and also we should place the order directly with the computer. I think then this is something that will make the business more efficient, and then can give not only to us but to even to you the opportunity to understand which kind of products you're selling better, which is the movement of the products. Then sometimes we have not so exactly. I think the goal of the software is the first important. I know that everybody take care about this, to monitor warehouse availability concerning Campomarzo World, to speed up order entry system, to automate data on the workflow exchanges, to delay the encoding of new articles on different software. And this will be made very well, because I think that we are going to make the presentation for our products even in the same system. So you should understand the products that will go inside the system any times that we are going to do, especially if we are going to make a lot of flash collection within the next months. To use a single software for the entire group, this is very important, because we should give you much more statistics, much more numbers, and that should be very, very, very important. To improve the stock rotation of all products, to make a consolidated balance sheets for the whole company groups. This is our goal, why we want to have this kind of software very soon. About the yeah. I don't know how to say flusso in English, but means this is how is the information going inside the computer from the mains to the different hubs to the stores. So means then the hubs can speak each other, so we can understand which kind of products maybe we have in Hong Kong, or maybe we have in Moscow, or maybe we have in Miami, in the different hubs, and the hubs can know where the products is in production, so to understand when the products will arrive, and at the same time all the stores should know which kind of products are available in the hubs where they are based. For this kind of information is much better than maybe you are going to discuss it with Augusto if you want more information in the next days. I will try to make my best, because this is exactly is not my, I'm not very expert about that matter, but I think that we have to, because this is something very important. This is for the main excellent collection warehouse will be accessible from all Campo Marzio hubs. Yes, this is what I explained before. And the hubs can view the inventory, the upcoming products, the price list, the status of individual open orders. This is very important, because at the moment that's happened only through our area manager, and this is a very important improvement. And everybody can insert individual stock reorders. This is how it will appear, the different kind of quantity, then is in excellent collection warehouse, then is a production warehouse, and the different hubs. So even we can share the information if we need very urgent products from a different market. The hub warehouse will be accessible from all other Campo Marzio stores of the same area, which will be able to manage directly the following operation: view inventory, upcoming products, and price list. This is what the stores can do directly with the warehouse. The store warehouse will be accessible from all other Campo Marzio stores of the same area, and will be able to view directly the following informations. Okay, and we have the sale date from Campo Marzio, and this should be very interesting to understand exactly the quantity of the products that we are going to sell. This is very important for especially for the flash products, for the new products, sales statistic, and sale workflow.